Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys do not miss on any of the profit that we make on regular basis. So now let us discuss with the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. You guys can clearly see that when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of support and this zone as an area of short-term resistance, and you guys can clearly see that our market stayed in the support zone, and as soon as it closed above the area of support, and it continued to give us good profit. So if you guys were risky sellers and if you guys would have sold from here, then you could have only made a break even on this candle, and even after a retest over here, then still you guys would have made a break even in this candle. So both these selling trades would have only given you a break even trade, no profit no loss situation. But once you guys would have taken an entry over here, let me take this entry, this would have given you guys a good profit. So over here, and if you guys would have continued this trade, so this trade would have given you guys a 4.5% profit. And if you guys would have taken a buy entry over here, uh, a risky buy entry, your stop loss will be approximately here and your take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would have given you guys a 1.5% profit. And if you guys would have taken an entry upon a retest over here, your stop loss will be over here just below this candle, and this trade would have given you guys a profit of approximately 2.7%. So if you guys would have taken this trade, a 2.7% profit would have come to your way. So now let us discuss with the analysis for the tomorrow. So now this resistance area will be shifted to the next area over here. This will be the next area of resistance, and this support zone will now be shifted over over here. Okay. This will be the key area of okay, and now I'll be moving all the scenarios forward as well. If you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so this, okay, so something like this. So I think now it is pretty much clear. The picture is very much clear. So if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And I hope that you guys will continue to make good profit tomorrow as well. Thank you. That's all for the today's video of gold. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a good setup of gold tomorrow as well. Thank you.